please bring me the current soap dispenser that we have. This is our present soap dispenser. She's very cute. One of the cutest soap dispensers I've ever seen in my life. Okay, she is by a brand called Zone Denmark. Very nice brand, a very pretty brand. They make home goods. She has matching trays and cups and like soap dishes and everything. So we figured if we invest in this, the further down the line we go, we can keep buying objects that will match this. Not to mention that Zone Denmark not only has a very cute and minimal design, but their colors pop off. Okay, they have the cutest little soft dusty rose pink moment as well. We went with the gray because I think she was a little cheaper, but this was $30. That might seem like a small price to pay for an aesthetic lifestyle. However, it literally does not work. She's beautiful, she's lovely, she's thick, but she does not work. And I'll tell you why. This, oh, I don't even want to take this off because I know it's gonna take forever to put it back on later. I'm gonna do it for the video. So this is the lid, this is the pump, this is the base, and the base is literally just their cup that you can buy. So there's no screw or anything. This just gets shoved right in there. And let me just show you what it does. Of course, now it's gonna behave. Okay, so I take it off, try to put it back on. Are you kidding me? No, but I just wanna know why it's suddenly working. I promise I'm not lying. I promise. Normally it just pops right back out. It just like goes down, then it's just like, and just stands there like that. And that happens so often, especially when people who aren't me or Chris use it, because you have to be very careful with it. Because also if you push down from like here or anywhere it doesn't work, you have to put full force, singular stroke, entire part of the lid has to be pressed down. And then once it's pressed down, it stays down. It's not coming back up. So you have one pump, you have one chance to wash your hands, okay? Basically, she sucks. She's been making our life hell. So we have decided to replace her. So not only is this a CB2 soap dispenser, $5 soap dispenser review, this is also a Zone Denmark $30 soap dispenser review. We're gonna compare them.
You're ready for the box?
Ready for the box.
CB2. Since it's a comparison, that was $30, right?
Mm-hmm.
This whole box was $30.
Okay,
so it's
fine.
like a direct value comparison.
Oh. We have a $100 wine voucher. So already we basically got this for -$70, my bad. Okay, first goodie is the soap dispenser. And a normal pump, would you look at that? She's matte black. Unlike Zone Denmark, CB2 doesn't have cute colors, so we went with the black. Next item is a soap dish that matches our little soap dispenser. Very cute. So what is this so far? This was $5, so I'm guessing this was around $5. Anywho, what is this big boy? Oh, we have ourselves a little, something. A little, what is this? Like a little Q-tip holder? Oh, very cute. What is this big boy? A tray for all of it. Let's move the box now. So yeah, the reason why I don't know what any of this is because Chris was actually the one who ordered it. That's why I'm surprised. But yeah, so look, our little tray. Oh, is so aesthetic. Oh, I love it. I literally love it. And it's so soft and smooth. Like the mat feels so good.
It's actually a rubber coating.
Since this is just the Zone Denmark cup, but with a pump on it, we're just gonna take the pump out and use this as our little like toothbrush holder. And so then on one side of the sink, we'll have our little toothbrush holder. On the other side of the sink, we'll have this. I absolutely love this. I can tell you guys that I do know that the soap pump is functional because we already bought this for our kitchen and our other bathroom. But yeah, so then once we saw how well this worked for literally $5, we were like, she's gotta go. She is much bigger and her silhouette is cuter. This is like a very basic soap pump. Like, look, literally a waste of money. I cannot stress enough how much of a waste of money this was. Now, this is the Nova, right?
Nova 1.
Nova 1. They have, what's the other one called? An Uma or something?
Ume.
The Nova, the normal Nova, I think has metal lids on everything. I don't know if those work any better. I don't know about the Uma moment. I don't know about any of their other styles. All I know is that this one, the Nova 1, literally does not work. Like literally it just slips right on and off all of the time. And then this pump is like, oh. But that's so normal, like that's a soap dispenser. Like you should not have to be that careful with your soap dispenser. Like her, she can get water in it. She can have water in her all day. And she actually has a screw. This is so cute, I love it. And this entire set is literally $30. Like, so worth it. She's like good quality. Like, she's hefty. She feels good. Like, she doesn't feel cheap. It's like all glass with like a rubber coating. It's so cute. But anyway, yeah, so Chris, which soap dispenser at its given price point do you think is the worth it?
Soap dispenser fact. My worth it winner is CB2.
I was trying to refrain from saying worth it winner so that we wouldn't get in trouble.
Well,
I don't know if we would. Nobody watches us.
Yeah, nobody watches us. It's okay.
Yeah, no, me as well. CB2 faux show. I was worried about this because it was $5. I was like, it's gonna be dinky, but it's literally not at all. And I'm pretty sure they sell the same exact one at Urban Outfitters, but it's coated in pink for like also $30. So that has been my comprehensive review on the...
So aesthetic when I just like see it on the black table.
Oh, I know.
This is my kind of house. Blacked out, matte black.
This is my kind of house. Love how it's literally half and half. Like, Chris's half of the dresser's over here. That's Chris. That's me. I make everything ugly.
But you're pretty.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and consider buying a CB2 soap dispenser. Oh yeah, we actually contacted Zone Denmark about this with a video, kind of just showing them how up this is, and they literally just never responded. So that was fun. Love that. We love good customer service.